Samsung Galaxy Flip 5, let's go. Let's go ahead and unbox this. This has been a long time coming. We got a little thing on the top, thing on the bottom here. This box is thin. Let me go ahead and lift that up. Oh wait, there's something. Yep. We have the accessories on the top here. It was hidden. A little hiding from me, huh? Okay, let me go ahead and open this up. I'm assuming SIM ejector tool and cables. There it is. SIM ejector and cables. All right, so there's the cable. No charging brick in the box. Me no likey. Okay. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the little quick start guide here. Pretty small, nothing too crazy. And then just that SIM ejector tool there. That's really it. Let me go ahead and take this off. All right, and then we have the phone wrapped up. Let me just make sure. Yeah, no charging brick. All right. So let's go ahead and unwrap this. Ooh, okay. I'm gonna unwrap it there. It's wrapped up like a burrito. All right, let me take that off. Oh, this feels good. It feels a lot better well made than my Moto Razr Plus. I don't even know if that was proper English. Hold on, let me take this little sticker off here. Yeah, this is the build quality on this is much better than the Razr Plus that I reviewed. Wow, a few weeks ago. Take a look at that. I like it. I like it. All right, close that up here. This is what it looks like closed, nice and compact. All right, let me see. Does this thing turn on? Oh, it does. All right, we still got some juice. Let me see if we can set this thing up. Here we go. Welcome, welcome. By the way, it's raining. I'm just praying my power doesn't shut off because I only got one shot to do this unboxing. So hopefully my power doesn't go off here. All right, let's go ahead and set this up. No, we're gonna skip that part manually and then Wi-Fi network. Holy crap. And the power went off. Am I still recording? Please, God, tell me I'm still recording. Okay, yeah, I am. All right, so connecting, getting the phone ready, just a few moments, and you can switch it to dark mode right off the bat. Awesome. All right, taking care of your phone. Yes, yes. Oh, yes. Bring me in. Look at that. Ooh, I like this. I really, really like this. Nice and smooth. Gonna close that up. Take a look at the cover display. So right now, it only lets you use widgets initially, but you can put good luck on this. So we can put just regular apps on this. Yo, is that the ice cream truck outside? I swear to God, I hear the ice cream truck. Anyway, look at this. Take a look at that close up there of the front screen. Oh, I like it. Looks so clean. But there it goes, guys. All right, and there's the back. This is the cream color. So open that up one more time. Take a look at that screen. Let me tell you what. Let me play with this for a few days. I'm going to give you guys a more detailed review in a few days, so bear with me. But yeah, I'll let you go with this. First impressions, really, really good. All right, see ya.